कल आपको कुछ याद है कि फुटबॉल में क्या हुआ है? पाकिस्तान का नाम किस तरह से पाकिस्तान की बेटी ने रोशन किया?
यकीनन पाकिस्तान की बेटियों ने, एक नहीं थी लड़की, पूरी टीम में जो आपको मालूम है 10-11 खिलाड़ी होते हैं और पूरा स्क्वाड होता है। आदिल रिस्की भी थे उसमें, एक गोल तो था, लेकिन वी वर रनर्स अप ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट। मैं उस गोल को ज्यादा अपनी विक्ट्री को सेलिब्रेट कर रहा हूं कि मैं रनर अप भी हूं टूर्नामेंट का। ऑफ कोर्स उस गोल लाजवाब गोल था, वो गोल ऐसा था जिसने देखा तो बोला ओह माय गॉड।
हमारे पास है तो हम चाहेंगे कि आपको भी दिखाएं वो।
और मारिया जमीला हमारे साथ इस वक्त मौजूद हैं। मारिया, थैंक यू सो वेरी मच फॉर गिविंग अस योर टाइम। इट्स एन ऑनर टू हैव यू ऑन द शो। अच्छा, Adil Rizki is also a very good friend.
Thank you so much.
Now, what is happening is when people watch your goal, they think it was Maria alone doing the show. Well, I think there's a whole team, there's a whole camp behind Maria. Please tell us about your team and your efforts.
Yeah, so Assalamu alaikum.
Thank
you so much for having me on the show. Can you guys hear me okay?
Yes,
yeah.
We do.
Okay, perfect. So leading up to the competition, we had been in a training camp for approximately 4 weeks, and the final roster of girls that came to Saudi Arabia were 24. And I think during that time, we saw a lot of new faces in the camp. We saw a lot of new girls actually getting the opportunity to represent Pakistan for the first time. So I think, it was great that we were able to walk away with, runners-up medals in the tournament. But I think there were also very big achievements, personally for players, as well as for the country, and as well as for not only women's football, but Pakistan football.
Okay, Maria, sorry to interrupt. Actually, my producer wants to ask that, are you comfortable to speak in Urdu? Because our viewers understand easily Urdu, so we prefer if you can answer in Urdu. Can you?
So, I can either speak English or Pashto. So.
Oh, you can only speak English or Pashto. Wow.
Or Pashto, yes.
Okay, not even a little bit Urdu.
Toda, but not. It won't do it.
Okay, it won't be possible for you. No problem.
Service.
Okay, continue, please.
Actually, our producer has difficulties understanding English, yeah? So I'm really sorry about him. Tell me about your family. Maria, your goal was really, really outstanding. Whoever saw that goal was like, damn, is she a Pakistani? Wow, we're so proud of her.
Maria, adding to his question, I just came to know, I heard that you belongs to a sports family. So all these things in your blood already, like, the cakes and everything.
I've grown up around sports my whole life, primarily squash. So my grandfather is Hashim Khan, and then I think the rest of the family kind of, trickles down from there in regards to squash. So, I grew up seeing the positive impact that my grandfather had on sports, not only in Pakistan, but for, other communities as well. So I think for me, it's something that is a passion of mine, sports, competing, competition. So I think it's been ingrained in me for a long time.
MashaAllah. I see a picture of you with Adil Rizki going viral on social media. Tell us about Adil. How was he as a coach? Is he a coach or your manager?
He's our coach. So Coach Adil has been with us since the SAF games last year. And I think he's done a wonderful job being able to develop the girls and the raw talent that the team has in such a short amount of time. So really grateful to be part of the journey with him and have him with us.
Any other memory apart from that goal which you'd like to share with us which happened during the tournament?
I think the progress that we've made in such a short time. In the SAF games, we walked away with 3 points. In this tournament, we walked away with 4 points. So I think, again, the progress is something that is resonating very, very closely with me.
All right, great.
Speaking to you, Maria, I'm sure you're not coming back to Pakistan. Why is that?
No, it's not that I'm not coming back. I'm always in Pakistan. It's just I work abroad. So unfortunately, being a female athlete, you still need to have a job. You can't just focus on sports at the moment. hopefully things will change soon, and I'll still have the opportunity to be back in Pakistan.
Okay, and I would like to mention here that Pakistani government supports you. You played for Warda as well, right?
That is correct. Yes.
Exactly. So
I used to
finally,
play for them,
yeah, I'm happy. I'm glad that finally, because we always recommend that the government must support these you kind of sports person here like yours. Though it's great that Warda supports you.
What other things are needed to be done, Maria, by the government to promote football, especially in women in Pakistan?
Yeah, I think there just needs to be the domestic leagues, domestic competition. I think the girls need to be playing. We all need to be playing and training 11-a-side football on a regular basis. And I think if that foundation, which is currently being worked on, once that's in place and sustainable, I think women's sports in Pakistan, especially football, it will be on the right track.
All right, thank you so much. Maria Jameela Khan is with us. Thank you so much. She is the captain of Pakistan football team, and thank you so much, Maria. It's a pleasure to have you on our show.
For performing so well and making us all proud, Maria. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
2022 बहुत सारे तोहफे भी देखे गया पाकिस्तान की अवाम को एक तोहफा ये दिया कि अवाम को पता चल गया कि पाकिस्तान का मीडिया क्या है।
साल 2022 में सबसे ज्यादा देखे जाने वाला चैनल बोल न्यूज रहा नंबर 1।
हमने बहुत सारे शोज और ट्रांसमिशंस की, पूरा साल मुसलसल जदोजहद में निकल गया कि ये वोट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस के पीछे कौन लोग थे।
तोड़े रेटिंग के सभी रिकॉर्ड। सोशल मीडिया पर भी सबसे ज्यादा तेजी से 2.4 बिलियन व्यूज का संगे मील अबूर किया। एंकर्स को भी आवाम में सबसे ज्यादा मकबूलियत मिली और सोशल मीडिया पर भी बोल रहा सब पर भारी।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।